Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to authenticate your Vigo Live account on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Vigo Live app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you can see there are a few options at the bottom of your screen. That's live, video, go live, chats and me. Tap on me. Then you have to go to the top right corners, user icon. Once you do that, you can see there's edit option at the top right corner. Tap on it, then scroll down and you can see at the end there's real person authentication option. Tap on it and you can see there's activate authentication now option. You have to select that. Now once you follow the instructions given by the app, you'll be successfully authenticated. Make sure the avatar you've uploaded is your real picture. And guys, that's it. That's how you verify your Vigo Live account on Vigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.